like my hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. I also want to officially welcome you guys to Vlogmas day 1. So for 2025, I am going to be doing the Vlogmas challenge, which is posting every single day for the month of December up to Christmas day, I believe. So officially welcome you guys into Vlogmas day 1. And for today, we have some few things to get done. I actually want to get my hair done and my nails done today, just like take care of myself, and also go for some Christmas shopping or some Christmas decor shopping, and also just decorating and setting up the space to make it feel like Christmas, because it is so close around the corner. It is currently 12:24 p.m. right now, and my hair appointment and my nails appointment is at 2 and my hair appointment is at 5:30, and I've not even got my hair washed yet. So we are going to just hop in the shower, get this hair washed, and get ready for the nails appointment, because I have just an hour to get ready. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I got my hair washed and blow dry. As you guys can already see, it's looking really good, and my nail appointment is in 30 minutes and it's currently 1:21 p.m. So let's go over and go get our nails done. I really hope they get it done before 5:30 so we can go get our hair done. I'm actually installing my wig professionally for the first time. I really hope it comes out looking really cute. But anyways, let's go over to go get the nails done, and then we're gonna go from there. So can you guys see how cute this is looking? It is so freaking natural. So I just got done with my nails. The lady that actually got it done for me, she did it so perfectly well, just like I wanted it. It was looking so cute and it's so natural. That's just my kind of vibe for like right now. And yeah, we got our nails done. Look how cute that is. I also got my toes done, but it's like the gel one, but same color. It is so freaking cute. I am loving it. I'm currently at Walmart right now. I'm gonna grab a few stuff before I go get my hair done, because I still have about an hour and a half before my hair appointment. So yeah, after my hair, I'll come back to Walmart and grab the decors for the I don't know. I want to come back when I get my hair done. Like, I don't want to go shopping right now with my hair not done, because yeah, I don't feel fully cute yet. So I'm gonna go grab what I really need right now and then go get my hair done, because I don't want to be late for my appointment. And after my hair, I'm gonna come back to Walmart and pick the stuff that we need for the decor, and then go home, set up the Christmas tree, and have some holiday vibes going on. But let's go see what they got at Walmart really quick. the best decision I have made so far today, getting this hair professionally installed. Look how beautiful that is. I am definitely going back to her. Like, I found the right person to be doing my hair. This is so freaking cute. But let's go get what we need from Walmart and go home and set up the Christmas tree. Like, it is beginning to look like Christmas already because I am feeling it. I am really, really, really feeling it. December is gonna be so good. And I pray all of my dreams come true and all of your dreams come true too. But let's go get what we need from Walmart. First, these are like my favorite wine. I'm gonna grab a couple of this. I got the peach and the apple cider one. Really good.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. La 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. La 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us. La 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus. La 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 la. Follow me in merry measure. La 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure. La 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 la. Fast away the old year passes. La 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 la. Hail the.
So I just got home from Walmart and I'm about to settle in so I can set up the Christmas tree. I'm thinking of putting the Christmas tree like right here.
Well, that wasn't really part of the plan. All right. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child. Holy infant, so tender and mild.
So I finally got done setting up the tree. This tree took me hours just to get it set up, and this is the best I can do for now. I'm probably gonna do more to it, but for now this is just the best I can do. I am so exhausted, like I am so tired. I am ready to go to bed. I am ready to wrap it up for today. And yeah, that's gonna be it for day one. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day two. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy watching this vlog. If you did, you already know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss anything. Also remember to like, comment down below what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.